Nature's Bakery fig bar product that I got off of my recent Amazon pantry purchase. Peach apricot, real fruit and whole grains. I have never had this brand of fig bar before, and I do like fig Newtons. I've tried many fig Newtons on this channel, but I have never tried this one. And right off the bat, I like the packaging. The packaging is very nice. I like the aesthetics. I actually can't wait to break this open and see what it's like, because it'll be my first time trying it. So, there's an opening. Oh. So that's how they come. They're individually wrapped, kind of like a granola bar. That's quite interesting, actually. I mean, they're really. It's quite fancy, to be honest. So hopefully it lives up to the taste, or lives up to the packaging. And there's two in each package, and that's what it is. That's what it looks like. And well, let's break it in half first. And again, the filling. Here's the filling, and let's try it out. Really, right off the bat, I mean, it's okay. I've actually had fig Newtons that I thought were better, had more flavor. This I can taste the filling, but if it didn't say peach, I couldn't really say without a shadow of a doubt that it was peach flavored. I don't think there's a very good ratio between the filling inside and the bread or the cake that's around it. I think it could do with some more filling, but it's not bad, but it really wasn't as good as I had hoped. I have one more I'm going to try in a different video, probably the next video upcoming. But this was Nature's Bakery Fig Bar. I'm going to give this probably, I'm going to give it a 6. So it's kind of below average because it actually looks better than it tastes. But that's just me. If you want to go out and try this, I don't know if they're probably in stores, but I got this off of Amazon. So you try it. Let me know what you think. Have a good evening.